DJI continues to dominate the consumer drone market in 2026 with cutting-edge cameras, intelligent flight features, and class-leading stabilization. Whether you're a beginner capturing vacation memories or a professional filmmaker producing cinematic footage, there's a DJI drone built for your needs. In this countdown, we're ranking the 5 best DJI drones of 2026 based on camera quality, flight performance, battery life, portability, obstacle avoidance, and overall value. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. DJI Flip is the DJI Flip, a compact foldable drone that perfectly balances portability, intelligent flight features, and impressive camera performance. Designed for content creators and travelers, the Flip folds into a compact size while offering a larger camera sensor capable of capturing detailed 4K HDR video and high-resolution photos with excellent dynamic range and natural colors. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures incredibly smooth footage, even during fast movements or windy conditions. The DJI Flip features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it one of the safest compact drones in DJI's lineup. Intelligent flight modes, such as active track, master shots, quick shots, hyperlapse, and automated return to home, allow users to capture professional-looking footage with minimal effort. Long battery life provides plenty of flight time for multiple shooting sessions, while the enhanced transmission system delivers a stable, long-range video feed for confident flying. With excellent portability, dependable safety features, and high-quality imaging, the DJI Flip is an outstanding choice for creators who want premium performance without carrying a larger drone. DJI Neo is the DJI Neo, an ultra-compact drone designed for creators who want maximum portability with minimal setup. Weighing under 135 grams, the Neo is easy to carry in a backpack or even a large pocket, making it perfect for travel, hiking, and spontaneous adventures. Despite its small size, it captures impressive stabilized 4K video and sharp still photos using DJI's advanced image processing and electronic stabilization technology, producing smooth footage even during dynamic flights. The DJI Neo is especially beginner-friendly thanks to its intelligent automated flight modes. Features like quick shots, AI subject tracking, palm takeoff and landing, and one-tap autonomous flight make it incredibly easy to capture cinematic content without advanced piloting skills. Built-in propeller guards improve safety when flying close to people or indoors, while multiple positioning sensors help maintain stable hovering in challenging environments. Battery life provides enough flight time for several creative shots per charge, and USB-C charging makes recharging convenient while traveling. The drone integrates seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, allowing users to edit and share videos directly from their smartphone. DJI Air 3S. At number 3 is the DJI Air 3S, one of the most versatile camera drones available in 2026. Equipped with a dual camera system that combines a large wide-angle sensor with a medium telephoto lens, the Air 3S gives creators incredible flexibility for cinematic storytelling. It records stunning 4K and high frame rate HDR video with exceptional detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. Its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system works together with advanced AI tracking to keep subjects perfectly framed while navigating around obstacles automatically. The drone offers long flight times, powerful wind resistance, and DJI's latest O4 transmission technology for a reliable, high-quality live video feed over long distances. Professional features like waypoint flight, cruise control, master shots, hyperlapse, vertical shooting, and advanced color profiles make it ideal for filmmakers, travel creators, and commercial work. For users seeking professional imaging without stepping up to the flagship category, the DJI Air 3S delivers exceptional value. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Taking second place is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a flagship drone engineered for professional photographers and filmmakers. Featuring an advanced triple-camera system with multiple focal lengths, it offers incredible creative flexibility for landscapes, portraits, wildlife, and cinematic productions. Large image sensors produce outstanding dynamic range, accurate colors, and excellent low-light performance, while recording ultra-high-resolution video suitable for professional editing workflows. The Mavic 4 Pro includes full omnidirectional obstacle sensing, intelligent subject tracking, precision return to home, and advanced autonomous flight modes that simplify complex aerial shots. Its long battery life supports extended filming sessions, while the powerful transmission system delivers crystal-clear live video across impressive distances. Combined with superior wind resistance, precise flight controls, and enterprise-level reliability, the Mavic 4 Pro is an outstanding tool for professionals who demand premium image quality and advanced creative capabilities. DJI Inspire 3. Claiming the #1 spot is the DJI Inspire 3, the ultimate aerial filmmaking platform for 2026. Built specifically for cinema production, the Inspire 3 features a full-frame camera capable of capturing breathtaking, high-resolution raw video with incredible dynamic range, rich color depth, and exceptional low-light performance. Its interchangeable lens system allows filmmakers to choose the perfect perspective for every scene, making it a favorite for feature films, documentaries, and high-end commercial productions. The Inspire 3 combines unmatched image quality with highly precise flight performance. Advanced RTK positioning enables extremely accurate flight paths, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes provide maximum safety and control. Dual operator capability allows one person to pilot the drone while another controls the camera independently, resulting in complex cinematic shots that would otherwise require expensive helicopter rigs. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.